Hi, somebody. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell. I'm so grateful you're here today. Thank you. Today, I share with you my $10 delish low cost, easy, tasty, simple meal. Rebel for a Spell. There are the ingredients, darling. Just split peas and smoked turkey drumstick. We prepare it by washing the turkey drumstick with vinegar. Then we rinse that all off with some tap water and we put that on the stove, honey. We gotta pre-boil that to get some of that salt and grime and brine off of it with some clove. I love clove. You use what you want, my loves. Take a look at the description box or the comment section. I'll have some information about this delish $10 low cost meal for you. So we put this on the stove for about 30 minutes, 30 minutes. We turn that about halfway through just to get again the brine and the salt off of that smoked turkey drumstick. Here we have the star of the show now, my loves. The Goya yellow split peas are what I prefer. You use what you like, darlings. It's just 2 ingredients. I let that soak overnight just to make it softer. You're welcome to use the version in the cans that's already cooked. I like my stuff the way I like it. So I throw that on the turkey after I throw off that turkey water, and I have them together in the pot. And here's what I have, darlings. This is a low-cost meal. This is what I have in my fridge. I have the confidence to tell you my fridge had 3 things. Turkey, yes, the yellow split peas, and these dried up looking red and green bell peppers. Tis what it is. We are on a budget. I love my garlic. Put some garlic in there. Again, my loves, take a look at the description box or the comments section and you put some of that thyme in there. And in the description box, I get excited. This is my favorite meal, honey. It's delish. Some turmeric. I love turmeric. It's very healthy. I'll put all this in the description box in the comment section for you, my loves. You just have to click the download and get the information. Here is some curry. I like a little zap of curry to give flavor, texture, flavor. And then I put some turmeric. I love turmeric. It's very healthy. Here we have Badia complete seasoning. It's really a combination of everything that I've already put in there, but the dried version. And I like it. It also has a little bit of salt in it. You will see that I have not put in any salt at all. No salt is in the meal because why? The turkey is already a little bit salty and I'm adding the Badia. No need for salt. Then you mix it all together, my loves. I will have the full recipe for you in the comments section and the description box below for all the details. So that is ready to simmer. $10 low cost, easy, tasty, simple meal. Rebel for a spell. And here's the pièce de résistance, my loves. I think I told you I love me some hot pepper from the islands. I throw a little bit of that in. I'll give you the measurements in the description box, my love. You do not have to use hot sauce because unless you can handle the heat, it's 8:59 and we are officially had this on the stove for about, I'd say 40 minutes. I let it sit for about 40 minutes or so, 40 minutes to an hour to get that first simmer going. And the stove is on a medium temperature. And that's the ingredients. Very simple meal. Yellow split peas, smoked turkey. You prepare it well. Put in whatever you like, onions, cloves, celery. Again, I'm on a budget. Almost finished with cooking. I release the cover and that's what you have. The yellow split peas. The turkey, look at that. Open her up, honey. Open that turkey. It's moist and it's juicy. and it's ready to be slightly shredded, opening that flavor. Delish, delish, delish. $10 low cost, easy, tasty, simple meal. Want a taste of this? My loves, I have this at least, I'd say once every 2 months or so. You can see the time, that's where we are now, and the meal is almost finished. The peas are softened, almost pureed, and you're welcome to puree as you like. All the turkey meat is off the bone. Everything is simmered down. And here it is. Delish, delish, delish. Darlings, I wish you could taste this. It's so easy to make. It is flavorful. It is filling. You know, turkey is a filling meal, a filling meat. You're welcome to use chicken and so forth, but the smokiness, come on over for some of this. $10 low cost, easy, tasty, simple meal. Rebel for a spell.
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out. Check it out now.